Alright, it's Mark here. It's a little bit wet out, a little rainy. I got my rubber boots on, pretty high up. And I have my foul weather pants gear on that I bought in New Mexico for winter riding weather on the motorcycle, for breaking the wind and keeping warm underneath. And no, I'm not Poseidon, but I'm going to do some gardening. And we have a little wind and a little rain. Sometimes a lot of wind, sometimes a lot of rain. And today is Sunday, January 31st, I think. Anyway, have a good day. Get out and do some gardening. Planting that today. Lemongrass. Plumerias.